Welcome to another Marvy Math video. In this one, we will solve this equation for x. In this equation, we want to notice right from the start that there are x's in the denominator. This is very important because we cannot divide by 0 since division by 0 is undefined. Therefore, after we solve this equation, we have to remember to reject any solution that results in a 0 in the denominator. Now, to solve this equation, we want to start by multiplying the whole equation by an expression that will give us a 1 in each denominator rather than this 2x and x. The 2x indicates that we need to multiply by 2x. The denominator of x means we need to multiply by x. But we do not need to repeat the x in this expression, so multiplying by just 2x will work. Now, before we multiply, let's plan ahead by noticing that the plus sign and the equal sign separate the equation into 3 terms. So we will need to multiply each of those 3 terms by the 2x to get a new equation. We will then write those 3 products on the 3 blanks in this new equation. So we'll start by multiplying 2x by x minus 2 over 2x. In the numerator, we have 2x times all of x minus 2, so we need to put parentheses around x minus 2. In the denominator, we have 1 times 2x, which equals 2x. Now, to simplify, we look for factors that are common in the numerator and denominator. Factors are expressions that are being multiplied. In the numerator, we have 2 times x minus 2. Because of the subtraction sign, the x minus 2 is all one factor. So either we cancel the entire x minus 2 or none of it. In the denominator, we have 2 factors, which are 2 and x. So there is a common factor of 2 on the top and the bottom, which means we can divide each of them by 2, and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. There is also a common factor of x on the top and the bottom, so we can divide each one of them by x, and x divided by x equals 1. There is no factor of x minus 2 in the denominator, so it stays. Now we multiply. In the numerator, we have 1 times x minus 2, which equals x minus 2. In the denominator, we have 1 times 1, which equals 1. But we do not need to show the 1 in the denominator, so we'll write just x minus 2 in the new equation. Next, we need to multiply 2x by 1, which equals 2x. So we'll put 2x in the new equation. Next, we need to multiply 2x by x plus 1 over x. In the numerator, we have 2x times all of x plus 1, so we need to put parentheses around x plus 1. In the denominator, we have 1 times x, which equals x. Now, to simplify, we look for factors that are common in the numerator and denominator. Again, factors are expressions that are being multiplied. In the numerator, we have 2 times x plus 1. Because of the addition sign, the x plus 1 is all one factor. So either we cancel the entire x plus 1 or none of it. In the denominator, we have only one factor, which is x. So this time, there is only one common factor, and it is x. So let's divide each of the x's by x, and x divided by x equals 1. Now we multiply. In the numerator, 2 times 1 times the quantity of x plus 1 is 2 times the quantity of x plus 1. In the denominator, we have just 1. Again, though, we do not have to show that 1, so we'll write just 2 times the quantity of x plus 1 in the new equation. Notice that, as we planned, our new equation does not have any x's in the denominator. Now we will solve this new, simplified version of the original equation. On the left, we add like terms to get 3x minus 2. On the right, we distribute the 2 to get 2x plus 2. Next, let's subtract 2x from both sides, which gives us x minus 2 equals 2. Now let's add 2 to both sides to get x is equal to 4. But remember, we need to check to make sure that 4 is an actual solution. We do that by substituting the 4 into both denominators to make sure that neither one of them will be 0. The denominator on the left will equal 8, and the one on the right will equal 4. Since neither one of them is 0, 4 is a solution to this equation. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful.